this one is the creamiest of them all. This is the eyeshadow I'm wearing right now. It almost gives this wet look. So I repurchased this one second time. This one is from Pat McGrath, and I've decided to try this lipstick. This is a balm type of product. This one has very beautiful, creamy, easy to blend texture. I love this product. Now let's get into the bronzing and contouring. Next product is Nude Sticks all over face bronze color in the shade Bondi Bell, and I think it will be very suitable on my pale skin as well as on my little tan skin as I have right now. And I really love the formula of the Nude Sticks, and so I've decided to try that one out. And the last bronzing product I've heard so many good things about. This one is from LYS Beauty No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick in the shade Hope. So out of all the bronzers I have, this one is the creamiest of them all. So this comes in this beautiful triangle packaging. This is so creamy. Unlike Nude Sticks I've shown before, this one is very creamy. It is so easy to blend. It blends like a butter. And this is the bronzer I have on right now, and I really love that this product gives this beautiful luminous finish to the skin. This is such a beautiful bronzer. I love this product. Next, I have a few products from Kosas. So speaking about the eyes, I also got this eyeliner from Benefit. This one is roller liner in the shade brown. This is my second eyeliner. I have used this one before in the past. This is brown eyeliner. I do have a black eyeliner, but I remember liking this color because black looks a little bit harsh on me, and sometimes I want to have this soft look on my face, and I decided to purchase this one again. I remember liking that liner, but the downside about this eyeliner is that I run out of this one very quickly. It dries out pretty fast. So when I've been speaking about complexion products, I forgot to mention that I've purchased another shade in the High Glam Concealer by Natasha Denona. So I have this one in the shade N1. So N1 is perfect shade for me right now, but not for the highlighting under eyes. And so I decided I really love the formula. This one creases much less than other concealers I have, but I need color lighter than this, especially when I will be pale. I need something for the under eyes to brighten, and so I decided to try the color RN1. And so this is the color I'm using right now and mixing with the darker shade, and I think that I will be able to use this one also for highlighting when I will be pale. I think that out of all the concealers I have, this one is my favorite formula. This one is Luxe Eyeshadow in the shade Moonstone from Bobbi Brown. I've heard so many good things about this color. I do have this product in golden shade, I don't remember the name, but since I wear cool tone makeup most of the time, I think I really wanted to try this silvery sparkly color. This is the eyeshadow I'm wearing right now. So you can see that this is a very sparkly product. It almost gives this wet look. I love the finish. Love this one. So I will try to briefly talk about lip products. So let's start with the product I'm repurchasing. So I repurchased this one second time. This one is from Pat McGrath Lip Fetish Sheer Color Lip Balm in the shade Blow Up. So I finished mine not so long ago, and I decided that I need a new one. This is a very beautiful nude pinky shade. This is the perfect color for, I think, almost every skin tone. This is so universal. I really love to use this one with Pat McGrath lip liner in the shade Contour. I love this color. This is such a nice formula and the color is perfect. Next is NARS Afterglow Lip Balm in the shade Fast Lane. So I have this balm in the shade Torrid, I think, and I decided to get the pinky cool shade. So it comes in this beautiful sleek packaging, and as you can see, this one is this cool toned pink shade. It's a balm. So this is the product I love to use during the day when my lipstick or lip color is wearing off. I love to use these kind of balms to add color and moisture at the same time. I have very dry lips and I always need to put some sort of moisturizing lip products on my lips. So this is perfect lip product for me for reapplying during the day. So this is the product I'm keeping in my purse. Another lip balm type of product is from Glam Kiss Kiss Bee Glow in the shade Honey Glow. So I used to have this beautiful lip balm from YSL. It didn't have any color in it, but after I applied on the lips, it gave very beautiful flush of pink color on the lips. It was such a unique, beautiful product, but it was discontinued. And this is the product I love to use after the gym. And after the gym, I applied light layer of makeup. And so I always need to have some sort of a lip tint, balmy kind of product in my bag. And after the YSL, I had Bobbi Brown lip balm, and now I've decided to replenish my lip balm product, and I've decided to try this lipstick. This is a balm type of product, and I really love the color it gives. It gives this beautiful pinky shade to my lips, so when I go out of the gym, I have this fresh, beautiful, tinted, moisturized lips. Speaking about Guerlain, I got 2 shades of Kiss Kiss Bee Glow Oil. So one is in the same shade as the lipstick in Honey Glow, and another one is Lavender Glow. So right now I'm having Dior Glow Lip Glow in the pink shade. I used to have in the mauve shade. I don't remember the number of that one. So I finished the mauve shade. Right now I'm half empty in my Dior. So I decided to replenish with another product because I've heard so many good things about the Guerlain Lip Glow Oil. So in lip glow oil category, my favorite are from Dior. I haven't tried from Guerlain, and so I decided to test these ones out. So this one I got for when I have cool colors on my face. This is a beautiful lavender shade, and this one is when I'm having warm tones on my face. So as I've mentioned before, I love to apply some sort of moisturizing product during the day on my lips, and these are the ones I will be using as a toppers. So another products are, one is from MAC. This one is lip gloss in the shade Pearl. This is a very old shade. I haven't used this one. This is beautiful peachy pearly shade, and this is the product I got to use with Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick in the shade Tease. So this is the lip combination I'm going to try together. So this is the lipstick, and also I'm going to apply them with Lancome lip liner in the shade Ideal. So this is the shade that is discontinued, but since I have this one in my collection, I will be using these as a lip combination. Another product is from Rare Beauty. This one is Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm in the shade Nearly Berry. So this is a lip balm. It feels like balm or oil. This is beautiful purpley shade. It's pretty dark in the packaging, but it is so beautiful on the lips. So it goes pretty lightly. It gives a little tint to the lips, and I am planning on using this one with a light lip liner. Oh, and also I forgot to mention one product from the complexion category. This one is from Say Dew Bronze Soft Focus Liquid Bronzer. So I got this one in the shade Sand. They have this light cool tone shade, but I decided that since I have contouring product already, I don't need to have a lot of contouring products. But speaking about bronzers, I really love testing different formulas. So this one has very beautiful, creamy, easy to blend texture. I love this product. I've used this one a few times already, and I love that one. As you can see, it gives light color. It's not too deep, so I think that this product will be perfect for beginners. So back to lip products. Next are two products from Natasha Denona. This one is I Need a Nude Lip Crayon in the shade NP1 Natasha. Since I'm more into cool tones, I decided to get this one and to test Natasha Denona lip liner formulas. So this one is the lip liner, and I also got My Dream lip gloss in the shade Natasha to pair it with the lip liner. So I've been watching YouTube, and there was this beautiful woman with beautiful cool toned lips, and so I decided to get this lip gloss. So this one has very tiny golden particles in it. They are not very visible. So this is the lip gloss. So I think that I haven't used this one, so we'll be testing that out in the future. Next are two products that I am also very late, but this is the brand that is not very accessible for me. These are two products for Makeup by Mario. This one is Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. So I got the color Rosewood Glow and Petal Glow. Since I've used them quite a few times already, I can report that my favorite color is Petal Glow. I love how it looks on my skin tone. So this one is Petal Glow, and another one is Rosewood Glow. Rosewood Glow is darker, and I think that this is the reason why I love Petal Glow better, because it looks a little bit better with lighter skin. So this one is a Rosewood Glow. I love these balm type of products. As I mentioned before, my lips are dry, and these are the products that keep my lips moisturized and plump. Another two products are from YSL. One is Love Shine High Shine Caring Lipstick in the shade 44. I've been wanting to try this formula because I haven't used YSL lipsticks for quite a while. And I decided to try this beautiful pinky shade. This one is very beautiful on my skin tone, and this is also a balmy type of product, which I love. Another one is Candy Glaze Glossy Shine Lip Gloss Stick. This one is in the shade 15, showcasing nude. I've been wanting to try these products for such a long time. I love the smell of YSL products and I love the shine it gives. So this is more on the nude side. I love to pair this lipstick with a lighter toned lip liners. So as you have noticed, I love lip oils in different colors. I think that these two will be in rotation a lot. One is in the shade Bounce and another one is in the shade Dip. So I thought that one I will be using with my more pinky color lip products and another one I will be using with my nude color products. So this one is Bounce and this one is Dip. They are both on the nudie side. This one is Bounce and this one is in the shade Dip. They are so glossy. This is the product I have on right now. So I have a lipstick and on top I have this lip oil in the shade Dip. I love the texture, and as I have mentioned before, I will be using it as a topper. Now I have a lot of products to play with and I will be doing different kind of looks in the future, so stay tuned for that. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, put thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in my next one.